Did you know that astronauts have heard unexplained sounds while orbiting Earth? High above the planet, inside the International Space Station, everything is supposed to be silent, controlled, predictable. But during one mission, Sunita Williams and her crew noticed something strange. A faint tapping, a hollow knocking, echoing through metal walls. Engineers said it was harmless. Thermal expansion, pressure shifts, machinery adjusting to extreme temperatures. Cause and effect. Problem solved. Except, the sounds didn't stop. At odd hours, the noise returned. Soft, irregular, almost deliberate. Astronauts floated in zero gravity, listening, unaware they had just signed their trust over to an explanation no one could fully prove. In space, there's nowhere to run, no outside help, just you and the silence between each sound. And as Earth spun quietly below them, one question lingered in the dark. If space is truly empty, then what was knocking back?